let's get the sexy insoles out. You know what? I feel a little sexy doing slow motion right now. Can I? I also want to slap myself with Jordan's fake white hair. Board laps. Hear it? Yes, this is kind of old school. Back then, they didn't have any way to kind of prevent it from twisting like this. The support is lacking, so they needed to use a board last inside the shoe to make it more stiffer, anti-torsion. They didn't have carbon fiber technology back then for shoes. Come on, guys. Air Jordan 6. This is sexy because you got the icy bottoms right here. A couple flex grooves, kind of useless. Visible, sexy, see-through air unit bubble on the heel, and an invisible hidden air freaking unit on the forefoot, which doesn't really do anything. Inspired by MJ's super duper German sports car. Thank you, Tinker Hatfield, for incorporating the spoiler so it kind of looks like a car. Oh man, this is sexy. The tongue here, right there. This is actually for you to insert your stupid fingers, because MJ complained back then. He's like, I can't really pull the tongue up. So can you think of something, Tinker? So Tinker is like, let me add 2 holes. To me, it kind of looks like the car windows, which is kind of cool. Another thing is, I don't think this is intentional, but if you look on the side panel right here, this kind of looks like a 2, and that looks like a 3. Now, okay, well, you guys are blind. Jumpman right there on that neoprene material. The inside is kind of like a booty. I really don't know what's the point of this stupid button. Doesn't really do anything, but you do have holes for breathability. In terms of comfort, I think the shoes are good. They do fit big though, so definitely go half a size down. I'm a size 12. And for this, compared to say Jordan 5, this I have just over a thumb's width, believe it or not. Holy moly. But smell test. Oh, very chemically. Oh my god. But thank you, Jordan brand, for bringing the Nike Air branding back 30 years after the originals. If you guys are wondering why I have this freaking lace lock like this, I'm going to relace this, put the lace lock right at the front there, because that's how Jordan used to do it. I think that's kind of cool. People are complaining about the leather quality. I think the leather is decent. It's okay. It would have been nicer if it's more buttery, but I'm not complaining. I actually like this. Sorry, I just gotta kiss the shoes. Ooh, you guys are wondering like, ooh, I just kissed the bottoms. I know you weirdos do that too. You guys sleep with your shoes. And then tell other people, no, I don't sleep on my shoes. Oh, yeah, okay, I gotta stop now. Pink issue with the midsoles. I am so glad that my pair is not at least defective for now. I really hope it's not gonna get pinkier over time. I got lucky. Shock drop, Footlocker. I checked on the website and they're like, no, it's only available in the store. So what I did was I called Footlocker. They had the full size run. Shock drop. The same day I called, I'm like, what? And they had a few pairs of size 12 and I picked the best one. The other ones I could tell under certain lighting, it was a little pinky, so I chose this one. Polyurethane midsole, nubuck upper. This is not suede, you dum-dums. Is this polyurethane insole? Is this actual cardboard? Oh, smells very, very China. Yeah, it smells like cardboard. Yeah, it smells like paper. So let me know your thoughts. Did you cop this particular retro? Did you skip this because you just didn't want to deal with the defectiveness to begin with? By the way, Jordan Brand said that only a few batches of shoes were affected. It is not the freaking dye bleeding over, okay? It is actually the paint itself. The paint mixture was messed up. What is going on, China? You just had to screw this up for everybody, huh? This was the biggest release and you just had to screw up the paint on purpose so that your UAs are actually better than the real ones. I don't feel sorry for resellers though. They probably got a lot of pairs stars, and I got pinky. It's all good. If you guys like the pink pair, that's good for you. If you actually got lucky like me, this is kind of white, I hope. Yeah, it's kind of white. No, actually, no, it's a little pink. You know what? I don't even know anymore. It don't matter if you're defective or not. Daddy still loves you. Let's get on with the deleted scenes now. Okay, Ellie, be patient. Damn it, while the milk is warming up, let's do an unboxing right now. This is... I'm gonna introduce her. This is the Air Jordan 6 Carmines. This is the one where Nike really messed up with the paint. You know, the pinky on the midsole. Are you falling asleep? Oh! Ta-da! Burp. We got all day. Continue feeding. Ellie, open. I failed on the raffle. This actually is not a resale freaking pair. I actually paid retail from Footlocker. I got really lucky from Footlocker. Actually, I think in March they had a random shock drop. Oh, sorry. Did I scare you? Diaper explosion. It's all good. I'm just glad that I actually got paired for myself. I was going to double up, but I didn't because the other one I can actually see it's a little pink. You know what? Let's do a slow motion of this too. The height of the tongue is not close to the OG. It's too high, it's too short. But I saw some of the videos out there and they did a pretty in-depth comparison between the originals and the 2021. The tongue is actually very close. It's like a telescope. So did you actually manage to cop a pair for yourself? Is your midsole pink? Is your midsole like mine, white? Are you going to actually paint yours white if it is pink? I know what you can do. You can send all of your shoes to me, sneaker.clinic. I will gladly take them all. I will charge you a lot of money, give you a little bit of discount just to repaint. If you didn't get a pair, it's all good. I'm pretty sure Nike's going to retro these again in like 5, 6, 7 years. Maybe another 30 years. Put the freaking insole. Too lazy, forget it. Just do this.